Hi there, I'm Kelly with the University of Michigan Center for Ergonomics, and I am pleased to be here today sharing with you some information and insights about the three-dimensional static strength prediction program, often referred to as the 3DSSPP software, that was developed right here at the University of Michigan. Now there's a lot to cover, and I will be demonstrating how to use the 3DSSPP in future videos. But this first video is going to focus on giving you some basic information about the program, as well as a brief introduction to the interface. It's important to get to know the program so that we can get a baseline of familiarity with 3DSSPP, and be on our way to using the software. If you're watching this from a Mac computer, you should know that you cannot use 3DSSPP on a Mac. If you're running Windows on a Mac using Parallels Desktop, you can run the 3DSSPP program within that application. But in general, this program will not work on OS X. Now the first thing we're going to do is to start the program. To open the software, you're going to go to your Applications directory and you will launch the 3DSSPP software by double-clicking the icon or using whatever method you prefer for opening software. When the software launches, first you're going to have a description of the product and a copyright notice pop up. Next, the default starting interface should appear. So this is what the program looks like when you launch the software. The next thing we're going to be talking about is getting started and actually using the program. Here we're located at the main 3DSSPP window, which you'll notice is actually comprised of a group of smaller windows. This is going to be our main area of operation while working in the application. So first we're going to look at the very first bar at the top of the program on the left-hand side. It'll say University of Michigan 3DSSPP 7.4. That tells you what version you're running, and it will also display your file name, untitled right now in our case, which you can change by navigating to the File menu and selecting Save As. This will take you to a screen that I'm sure you're all familiar with, that you can now choose a file name and save location for this new project that you've created. I'll name this file 3DSSPP demo_1 and save that file to get back into our main program interface. A key thing to notice as you start working in this program is that whenever you make new changes, there will be an asterisk up at the top left-hand side of the screen next to your file name. This asterisk is letting you know that you've made unsaved changes. Whenever you see this little guy up here, remember you need to save. Additionally, and just a note on best practices when working with complex 3DSSPP analyses, you will want to save and save often. You do not want to be in a situation when you've completed a series of complex tasks in this program and then you lose power or some other catastrophe occurs. You realize you want to go back to an iteration of your project that you've previously made extensive changes to, and now you can't. This isn't to say that 3DSSPP is a buggy program that's going to freeze on you all the time. It's more to help you avoid doing your work twice as much as possible. Moving on, you'll notice that this is a menu-driven program, and our menu bar is located directly below the progress bar at the top. We'll dive more deeply into the various functions available to 3DSSPP users in later videos, but I just wanted to point it out so that you know it's there. That's it for the first in this series of 3DSSPP tutorials. Next up, we'll be talking about one of the most used features in the program, the status panel.